How to back up WhatsApp on Android to Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Settings. As you tap on Settings, scroll down and tap on Chats option over here. As you do that, scroll down and you can see the option of transfer chats. Now to tap on transfer chats, you'll be able to transfer the chat history to your Android phone. So we do not want this. So I'm going to tap on chat history and here you can see the option of export chat. So tap on export chat and here you just have to select the particular chat that you want to back up. So I'm going to select one of these over here, and then as I do that, you can see there are different options over here. So you can just select on the Google Drive since you want the Google Drive to be the ultimate destination for this one. So after that, just tap on save and you'll be able to back up WhatsApp on Android to Google Drive. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.